I'm Jen Wall, Barefoot Winemaker, and I am here to talk to you today about all things barefoot and how to help you get barefoot and celebrate the barefoot days of summer. Today we are going to make some delicious barefoot cocktails, offer some fun food pairings, suggestions that everyone will love. All barefoot cocktails are created with easy to find and affordable ingredients so you can share them with your family and friends. Of course, it wouldn't be the barefoot days of summer without refreshing wine options. This year, in March of 2020, Barefoot released Barefoot Hard Seltzers for the very first time. They're available in 4 delicious flavors: cherry, strawberry, peach, and pineapple, my favorite. They have 2 grams of sugar, 70 calories, and all of them are gluten-free. What's unique about these hard seltzers is that they are made from wine, not malt or fermented cane sugar like many of our hard seltzer competitors. They are clean and have a refreshing and lingering finish. These new releases are terrific right out of the can, over ice, and also made into a cocktail. Today, I am going to share with you one of my favorite cocktails. It's called the Piña Colada. We love our foot puns at Barefoot. And it's merely a 2-ingredient cocktail. We use 1 ounce of Rum Haven coconut rum and 4 ounces of Barefoot pineapple hard seltzers, and voila, you have a fantastic cocktail. So we're gonna make it real quick. So again, 1 ounce of rum and 4 ounces of Barefoot pineapple hard seltzer. Give it a quick stir. Wow, tastes like vacation. Barefoot hard seltzers are actually really versatile and can be paired with a lot of foods. So they're perfect for all your summer fare salads, fruit salads, melon, tomatoes, all the things that you would enjoy with summer. So I hope you get a chance to enjoy them. They're available in a variety pack and 4 packs. And cheers to you and happy days of summer. It wouldn't be summer without delicious, fresh, and juicy fruit. Last year, we released 4 Barefoot Fruitscato flavors: an apple, peach, strawberry, and watermelon. If you love Barefoot white, pink, and red Moscato, you will love Barefoot Fruitscatos. These are delicious treats, perfect for barefoot days of summer, and they're delicious by themselves, over ice, and blended into a cocktail. Speaking of cocktails, if you visit barefootwine.com, you can find many delicious barefoot wine and food recipes. I'm here to show you one of my very favorite Barefoot Fruitscato recipes. It has 3 very simple ingredients: frozen strawberries, Camarena silver tequila, and Barefoot Fruitscato strawberry. It's super easy. So you add 1 cup of frozen strawberries to a blender cup and 1 ounce of Camarena silver tequila and about 6 ounces of strawberry Fruitscato. It's that easy. So you blend it up. And voila, a perfect summer slushie. And you can even garnish it with a fresh strawberry from your garden. Cheers and enjoy. Let's talk about bubbly. Barefoot Bubbly was created in 1998, 18 months before the Millennium Celebration, in response to a fear that there wasn't going to be enough sparkling wine or champagne to celebrate. Now there are 8 distinct options in the Barefoot Bubbly portfolio, from dry to sweet. Today we're going to talk about my favorite bubbly, Barefoot Bubbly Brut Cuvée. It's a Chardonnay champagne grown in California. Barefoot Bubbly Brut Cuvée is dry, lovely, and has amazing aromas of apple and pear. Barefoot Bubbly Brut Cuvée is probably the most versatile as it relates to food and wine pairings. You can serve it with almost anything. Cheeses, fruits, grilled foods, it's delicious with it all. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really fun and festive bubbly cocktail. It's called the Red, White, and Brut Salute. So here I have some blue caracal, and I'm going to put just about a half of a shot in the bottom of a wine flute, champagne flute. I'm going to add 2 strawberries to the bottom. And then I'm going to open up a bottle of this Barefoot Bubbly Brut Cuvée. One of my favorite things to do. I love the sound of a sparkling wine as it pops. It's lots of fun. Woo! Excellent. All right. So we're going to very slowly pour the champagne right over the strawberry. And you'll notice, once we're done pouring it, the champagne and the blue caracal will separate, and the blue will start to fall back to the bottom, and there'll be a distinct separation of color. It's much lighter on the top than the bottom. Now we add the red for a Red, White, and Brut Salute. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of raspberry liqueur, and it should go right to the bottom, right on top of the blue. And voila! Cheers and happy 4th of July. Barefoot is committed to innovation so that we have something for everyone 21 and older. Red, white, sweet, dry, sparkling, and still, we have the Barefoot wine for you. It's my personal goal to make wines that people can afford to enjoy with their family and friends on a regular basis. Like Barefoot Bubbly, Barefoot still wines are the most awarded in US wine competitions. At less than $10 a bottle, you know that you're always getting a great value with Barefoot. The final recipe I'm going to be making with you today is a recipe called the Ruby Red Punch. This delicious recipe is super easy, affordable ingredients, and fun to share with your family and friends. So we are going to add some stemless maraschino cherries to this pitcher of wine with ice. Really fun. And this is just 1 jar, 16-ounce jar of maraschino cherries. And then you add 1 can worth of ginger ale, which is about 12 ounces. This was about 16 ounces. And then you top it with our Barefoot Red Moscato. And this is refreshing, lovely, and really fun to serve as you celebrate the Barefoot Days of Summer with your family and friends. And would go great as you're chilling and grilling chicken, barbecue, pork, and beef. Cheers.